Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Today I am sharing 3 Christmas treasure boxes that I have available in my Etsy shop. The boxes are exactly the same, so I'll just go through one, and there are some slight variations, like the covers of the journals are a little bit different, so we'll go through all of that. I hope you feel inspired, and let's get started. Okay, so the journal measures 5 1/4 by 6 3/4. There are 52 pages and the journal is embellished. So let's go and have a look inside. All of the journals are exactly the same on the inside. Well, slight variations, but you know. Okay, so I've done lots of sewing and you will see embellishing on of the pages. And I've just got little Christmas sayings throughout. There's a little tab here. Over here is a paper clip. This will open up and here's a little journaling spot. There's some scalloped pages throughout. Some ruffles here. Here is a little tuck spot that can be taken out as well. And this is the middle of the signature. So there's one signature. This is a hidden paper clip. I have a tutorial on this as well. I will link it down below. It's embellished on both sides and it's a paper clip inside, but it's hidden. So this can serve as a tuck spot. If you have it on the side like this, you can have a tuck spot on both sides, or you can have it up the top as a bookmark. Another little ruffle here. Here's a little tag that can be taken off. Anything, you know, I like to clip things in and then you can move them around if you wish. So designer paper here. Here's another little pocket with a journaling spot in there. I've done some corner punching on the pages. And here's another little pocket here with a journaling spot. And that's the back of the journal. And I have reinforced the back as well with some cardstock, and then this is at the front. And the other boxes contain these 2 journals, so everything is exactly the same on the inside. It's just the covers and, you know, some of the journaling spots and things like that that are different. Next thing I have in here is this altered Christmas bag. It's a gift bag, and I have just changed these handles and I made this into a pocket. But if you wish, these can be taken out and you can still use this as a bag. It just means that this will be on the bottom. So I think it's probably better just to leave it as it is, like this. And that's a little pocket there. Okay, so here is the pocket. And then on the inside is another little journal. And I have done some slight embellishing on these journals too. I'll just quickly go through. That's the middle signature. Just some slight embellishing, and I've clipped some things in. Just keep in mind this here is glittery. It's got glitter, so you might find some glitter in your box. Alright, so this journal lives in this little bag. This journal comes with this bag, so the bags look a little bit different, but same thing on the inside, the journal. And then this journal comes with this bag. Next thing we have in the box is this little strip type of notebook, I guess. I'm just holding it closed with this bulldog clip, I think it's called. Laminated cover. I've got some dangles here. And I was thinking of this to be used like a little wish list or something like that, a Christmas wish list, or ideas for presents, or you can write down presents that you have given this year. So that's always nice to look back on. Okay, so there's that. And they're all pretty much the same. They just say this a different thing, but it's a Christmassy type of a thing. Okay, next thing I have in here is this little packet of flowers. So I have just glued them on with double-sided sticky tape, so you can definitely take the flowers off. Use them as embellishments in your journals. They come off very easily, so that's in there as well. Then I also included these 2 lace flowers. I have a tutorial on them too. I will link it down below if you wanted to have a look. Alright, so here is a little origami envelope. I also have a tutorial on this too, and there's 3 tags in there. Then I've included this Christmassy tassel that you can use in any way you like. You can go on a Christmas tree or on your journal. You can clip it on. There's a little jump ring here, so you can use that to clip it onto the journal. And I also have a tutorial on this too, so I will link down all of the tutorials I mentioned will be in the description box below. Then I've also included these two fabric scrappy type of embellishments, Christmassy embellishments. A tutorial on that is available as well. Then here is a little packet of some embellished paper clips, and I have used some beads and some of that, what's it called, pipe cleanup Christmassy tassel. So there's 3 of those in the packet as well. Then we have this fabric envelope. I also have a tutorial on this too. So it's lined with a book page, and it has a little wraparound closure like this. Then there's a stencil in here as well. So this is a Christmassy stencil, and they are all different in the boxes. So the other 2 will receive a different one, but they're all Christmas themed. Then I have a little packet of random little goodies in there. There's some punchinella in here. There's red and green, and just some, you know, buttons like this, Christmassy buttons, and just little bits and pieces that you can use throughout. Then I also have this altered envelope. So here's a little charm down the bottom over here. I've embellished it and then also embellished on the back. It's also been embossed, and I'm just holding it closed with this paper clip, and that can come off, and then it's a fully functional envelope. Okay, so there's that as well. Then I put in a little dangly like this with just different materials and things, so you can attach that to your journal or use it as an embellishment on a gift. I also have included some red ribbon as well. And then there's a little packet of different types of paper. So I've got some specialty papers here that have been embossed, some Christmassy papers, and then here the designer paper. So this actually, I don't really want to open it, but it's a full sheet, so it can be opened up, especially this one here. It's cardstock, and it can be opened up, so you can actually use that as a journal cover as well. And then I've included some of these beautiful felt stickers. So I love them because they're black and gold and they look so great. So you can use that in your journals, or I've got some of these stuck on my mirror and they look fabulous. And then last thing, of course, I include a little Christmas card. So it's blank, but if you want me to sign this Christmas card for you, just let me know and I will do that for you. All right, so that's all the things that are in the box. I'm just going to show you the other 2 boxes very quickly. So like I said, they contain pretty much exactly the same thing. So I'm not going to go through everything, but just to give you an idea, you know, of how it sort of looks inside. So exactly the same things. Let's see here, some of those flowers, that little paper pack, tassel, all of that. This might include some different type of thing, but you know, pretty much exactly the same. And then over here as well, lots of little goodies to play around with and to use this year to make Christmas a little bit better than, you know, the year that we've had so far. So I hope that you guys feel inspired. The link to my Etsy shop is down below. Thank you so much for looking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.